vlog. It's my friend's birthday, Diale. I'm sure your Boya has calmed down. Like, this Boya. He's a CEO of Boya. Like, until my sis was even taking attendance in the was like she was counting the number of people that had to come. Like, and one quick story. Do you know that the bike got missing on the bike? Like, he didn't even know how to get here. And these Douala bike people now, they'll never say that they don't know. They'll carry you round the well, and then so we're going to be taking you guys along with us today. If we're going to enjoy, you know, all the fun places I'll be going to, you know, everything nice. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the guest house, then why I will be decorating it for the surprise and everything. So do well subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to bring you back with more amazing places. It's very angry, like it's not easy. So hey YouTube. I'm not using elevator. Ça ça marche pas. Ça marche, mais il faut la portion.
Wonder shall never end in this Cameroon. You actually pay for a guest house and have to pay extra just to use the elevator. This is crazy. Let me know what you guys think about this.
The kitchen. We have a fridge. The kitchen has this small, tiny balcony with the view. Isn't nature beautiful? Like, one thing about Douala is like it has all the fun places, and actually the most expensive things in Douala is like the transportation, the places to where you can really chillax over the lakhs. They're not really expensive like that. So this is the living room. I'm sure we're going to be arranging the surprise here, you know. And there are two balconies here. I'm just going to take you guys along. This is the second balcony. And we have a teeny tiny mirror over there. This is the bathroom for the guests, like if a guest comes. It's a teeny tiny bathroom. Then we actually have two rooms. So this is the first room. Of course, it has a cupboard. And this is nice. Like all the rooms have an iron. I remember going to a hotel once and they had no iron. I remember that I had to like quarrel somebody. They provide you with towels and everything. Yes. This is the room I'll be sleeping with my sister. Yeah. So just a quick tour, and of course another bathroom. So that's it. And a tiny teeny TV.
If they didn't have that stuff, that put that stuff on her neck. That's what I'll be for mommy now.
Yeah.
Like
There should be somewhere in this market that we can find it.
something flourish. You know when in movie like somebody is doing.
Let's choose now.
I don't know why I'm scared of this.
The color combination of the balloons, so cute. So we're going to be transforming this background. This is how the place is looking. Happy birthday and everything. We're still trying to get everything together, waiting for the cake lady to arrive, but so far this is what we have. I am my girl Rosie. This is what we've been able to achieve. So we're just trying to, round up everything, make sure that everything is looking good. Outside is looking quite messy, but we're going to fix that with time. Can you see this? Some bougie stuff for the birthday girl.
This house. That's it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How do you say? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ta-da! How old are you now? How old are you? Serious? No, what joking? After I say hi to you two, I've been vlogging the whole time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Many more years to you. Many more years. So everybody's going to wish the birthday girl something, like bougie, nice things. Okay, so first thing we're going to be toasting to money and good health. Like when you have money, you can travel the world, and when you have good health, you don't need to spend money carelessly.
Long life and prosperity. Amen. Love and money.
You have double money. That's serious.
Girls, thank
Okay.
you so much.
Not your regular one. The icon. Yeah. Wow. Anyhow.
Have rich friends.
Yeah.
Can you do this in the village?
No. Hey. And may forever shine like the diamond that you are. Okay.
Thank you so much. Let's do a group hug.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Group hug.
So we're going to get ready for round 2. The birthday just got started. I'm not even done my makeup, but we'll be alright. Hey Chris, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hey.
Hi.
You're not ready for this night.
Nah, they're not ready.
Not ready.
Will you say hi to my YouTube channel? Hey birthday girl. Hey Chris. What's up all the time?
Autant de bouger, je se chama